Everyone, how are you today? So today we're going to be practicing some phonics. We're going to be talking about the A sound. So English is a crazy language, especially with the spelling. One of the most difficult things about learning English is the spelling. Because the spelling is often not phonetically spelt, especially with the vowels and the diphthongs. Like the A sound. You'll find the A sound spelt many different ways. However, it's often spelt with the letter A in it. Words like make, bay, game and pain. So, let's look at some possible ways of spelling the A sound. Start with the AI spelling, as in rain. R-A-N, rain. Aid, aid. P-aid, paid. Ale, fail. And ch-ain, chain. Next, let's look at the AY, as in day. D-A, day. H-A, hay. A, may. S-A, say. And play, play. Next we're looking at AE, as in game. G, aim, game. B, ache, bake. T, ape, tape. G, ate, gate. And S, ache, snake. I don't like snakes. Finally, the EI, as in 8. The letter 8, not as in 8. W-A, way. Sl-A, slay. N-A, nay. Nay, as in neighbour. Finally, freight, freight. Freight, freight. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you all stay well and stay safe. I'll see you later. Bye.